often have you written something down, feeling excited about it, only to watch it sit there gathering dust? Maybe it's a to-do list, a goal for the year, or a dream that you've been holding on to. You tell yourself it's important, but somehow it never gets any real action. It stays just an idea. Now think about your business plan. You've probably invested hours or even weeks crafting it. There's strategy, goals, timelines, the whole package. But here's the problem. If that plan just sits on paper, it's not really a plan at all. It's just a wish. And we know wishes don't get things done. A business plan is only effective when it's brought to life. And that means aligning it with what your team actually does every day. It's easy to set goals and lay out strategies, but without execution, it's just theory. A plan needs to come alive through action. So what does that look like? It starts with your team. They need to understand how their daily tasks tie into the bigger picture. If you want to double revenue, for instance, that's great. But what does that mean for their work today, tomorrow, and the next week? If they don't see the connection between their efforts and the company's goals, the plan remains abstract. When you align goals with team execution, something shifts. It's not about just telling them what needs to be done. It's about helping them see why it matters. When your team understands that their work is part of something bigger, it creates motivation and ownership. They don't just show up, they show up with purpose. But alignment isn't enough. It's about regular communication. Keep checking in, provide feedback, and be flexible. The business world is constantly changing, and so must your plan. If something isn't working, adjust it. If your goal needs tweaking, then make it happen. A plan that remains static doesn't evolve with the company's needs. The key to making your business plan real isn't in the words that you've written. It's on how your team brings it to life. The plans that work aren't just written down, they're actively lived. So next time you look at your business plan, don't just ask, what does it say? Ask yourself, how can we make this happen? Because when a plan moves from paper to action, that's when transformation truly begins.